Hey guys, I've had this heater for a couple months now, so just figured I wanted to let you know real quickly why I got it and what my experience has been with it. So where it excels at and where I think maybe it could do a little bit better. Like I said, so I've had it for a couple months. The reason I got it is because I live in an older house and I have radiator baseboard heat and I tend to get like cold spots in my house. So I actually got this one to put in my kids' room because it's a simple one that I can either put it on their dresser or on the floor and get some extra heat. So one of the things that I definitely do love is that on the bottom it has this switch, so you can hear, you heard it when I pushed it. So if it tips over, it automatically shuts down. I've tested it, so like I said, I put it in my kids' room, so I wanted to make sure that it was something that I felt like I could trust it. Along with that I did check to make sure that it does have an ETL electrical certifications. But anyway, so I checked that and it does have that. I felt a lot better about that. Um, it does look really nice. I like the overall look. So just a quick look all the way around it. It has this handle to make it easy to pick it up. I love that compared to like some of the other ones that I've seen. It's kind of small and compact, and it also oscillates. And then it has this feature here so I can, angle it so you can have it straight on there and I tip it up. So if it's on the floor, you can like point it up towards the bed or towards whatever. It does also come with the remote. Now I'm going to tell you right now, so I do really love the heater, but I think the remote range isn't ideal. I mean, I can show you, even from over here, it's not working, right? So you have to be pretty close to it for the remote to actually work. But it does have the buttons on top. So for the most part, I just use the buttons on top. And again, if you're gonna keep it on your end table or something like really close to you, like you won't have much problem with the remote. For me, the remote doesn't work great, but the heater itself, I love it. So just real quick, I'll show you. You can see like I said, I love that it turns and oscillates and it doesn't affect it even if you are to like tip it up at an angle. I like that it has a timer option. I like that it has different modes and that the temperature, let me see, I think it goes up to like 90 degrees. I don't know how low it goes, but I just want to say that really for the purpose I got it for, it's been a really good heater and I think the value of it's really good. Again, it looks good, it works good. The only drawback to me was the remote. So to the manufacturer, if they had something they can improve, it'd be the remote. But everything else to me, I think it's really perfect, and I still do definitely recommend it. It's a really good heater.